Now let's continue with sz, ch, and sch. The letter sz is called sz. It usually sounds like a strong S. For example, Fuß. Fuß means foot, and Straße. Straße means street. Now look at ch. This sound can feel new for many beginners. You hear it in ich. Ich means I, and you hear it in Buch. Buch means book. Do not worry if ch feels strange at first. Just listen and repeat slowly. Now look at sch. This one is easier. It sounds like sh in English. For example, Schule. Schule means school, and fish. Fish means fish. So we have sz, ch, and sch. Small sounds, but very important for German reading. Now let's look at 4 common letter combinations. The first one is sp. At the beginning of many German words, sp often sounds like sh-p. For example, Spiel. Spiel means game, and sprechen. Sprechen means to speak. Now look at st. At the beginning of many German words, st often sounds like sch-t. For example, Stadt. Stadt means city, and stehen. Stehen means to stand. Now we have ae. In German, ae sounds like the English word I. For example, Eis. Eis means ice cream, and mein. Mein means my. Finally, look at ea. In German, ea sounds like ee. For example, Liebe. Liebe means love, and sieben. Sieben means 7. So remember, sp, st, ae, and ea are very common in simple German words.